Okie dokie. Shall we get this show on the road? Yes. Yes, let's do this. Okay. Now, let us try have a better day than yesterday. Yesterday afternoon was not great. Was really not great. Oof, it would have been a loss again. Wow. It didn't go for anything I thought it would yesterday. Clearly, I was completely wrong. Oops. I was completely off yesterday. That's my B. Point of interest there. Hey, Laura. How's it going? Boom Banana. You too. How are you? You're just coming here to see me fail, aren't you, Boom Banana? I know you. Are we ready for today? Are you guys excited? I'm quite excited. Good morning, LP. How's it going? Oh, are we ready for this? Are we excited for this? I'm excited. Well, I'm hoping for a better day than yesterday. Yesterday was not great, but we have got this, right? Yeah, we've got this. Okay, so we've built up a little bit more liquidity with, you know, all my stops. Aren't I just being a good trader helping the market move? Let's see if today we can hopefully... Let's just be better. Let's just be better today. Anyways, how was everyone's trading day yesterday? Was it better? Or did you have a good trading day? I know it was a bit of a 50-50 for everyone yesterday. Some people had an amazing trading day yesterday, and other people not so much. No, that's not right. That's bad. Okay. Sorry, Laura, but also amazing. Well done. Amazing that you climbing back out of it. Yeah. You know, so you can't win every day. Well, yeah, no, not every day is going to be a green day. Like yesterday for me. Yesterday was a bad day. Okay. We will fight to live another day. What do we think is going to happen today? Maybe that's a good question. Why, hi, how are you? How's it going? I do prop rooms. I wanted to do something. What did I want to do? Ah, that's what I wanted to do. Yes. Yes. Have a look-see. This yesterday is New York. Well, technically both New York and London, huh? But this is very much a point of interest for me today. Asia low. I am waiting to see if today turns around. So it's been cold and rainy here today, which kind of sucks. Not fun when it's cold and rainy. So it means I wasn't able to do anything fun today. I wasn't able to go for my run. I wasn't able to do anything. So let's see how this goes. Hey Unknown, how you doing? How and why? Cool, but unfortunately I'm gonna have to go back and try again. There were no shocks at the area where, you know, where they were supposed to be. You know, they can control where the sharks are as much as I can control the stock market. So I'm gonna have to go try again, but I did book it. I did try. I did swim with some big fish in the ocean. So for me, that's quite a big step because I am very much afraid of the not being able to see what's around me situation. So, you know, in the ocean, you can't see what's underneath you, can't see what's going on around you. Very terrifying. But I still swam in the ocean. So I did conquer a fear. Now the next one is to do that. And no, nice, okay. So you're thinking it's gonna be a long. Everyone else, what are thoughts for today? Because apparently right now we are kind of consolidating a little bit again. Let's have a look at the 15. Oh, okay, yeah. 15 is bullish. Very much. 1 hour. Samesies. Okay, so let's stick with the bullish bias for now. Oof, none of these are great. Let's see if it starts to... Oh, wait, this one maybe would have potentially been... Oh, that one would have been good. Same with that one. Huh. There's 2 in a row, then it normally means the third one's not going to be good, so let's not push that. Let's see if we get anything today. Let's see if we have anything decent that pops up for us. Kwang? I'm so sorry if I butchered your name. I've only been trading since April, so I'm still, as Joan, I don't think Joan is here yet, as Joan likes to say, I'm still a baby trader. Aw, thank you for the subs, Scarface, and citrus fruits trash. Interesting name, nice. No, I'm trading futures. And now this coffee's really hot. I don't have milk, so we're doing this. If I stick long enough. Well, I plan on sticking for a while, so let's see. Kwang, how long have you been trading for? But yes, I have been told to expect some challenges. Land of Smile. I'm not sure. Hi, Live. Hey. Oh, no. The good morning. I was like, ah, hi. And then I just start a day with a loss. And I'm like, oh no. Okay, well, I lose. But that's okay. I mean, you saw my day yesterday. My day yesterday was not great at all. So I'm hoping for a comeback. Let's see. Well, unknown, I've never looked into it. Since 2016, nice. And how you, nearly 10 years, damn. That's a wild thought as well. Anyways. And how's it going for you? Any tips? I don't know. What have you found to be your biggest struggle? Ooh, that's a goodie. That's a goodie. I like that question. High life? Okay. Did you go long or short? Why was there a little bit of a loss? What happened? That's very true. It's also why I'm here. You guys, yeah, you guys are probably the best source of information. Just saying. I know that sounds weird. Makes it sound like I'm using you guys, but your knowledge beats like ChatGPT or whatever. Quadroon to the moon. I look tight. I don't know what that means, but thanks. Or not thanks. Ooh, nice. Okay. Okay, High Life. So, Kwang, that's what I have found now. I have found a little strategy that I like. I mean, it's probably not perfect. I can probably work on it and maybe later on improve on it. But right now, that's what's happened. And it's slowly helping me dig myself up out of the trenches that the previous strategy I had took me down into. Yeah, dang it. I was just saying, oh, it took it 3 times, it wouldn't take it again, but I guess it would have. However, now I kind of wanted to get out of this little bit of a zone. As I don't think Okade's here yet, but as Okade likes to say, don't diddle in the middle, right? Hey Zar, how's it going? How's it going? Ooh, nice. Nice, High Life, okay. High Life, why? Just out of curiosity, why? You're just looking at different things to potentially do? Kwang, that's actually, yeah. And that's basically what I've said, because people are like, oh, what strategy do you use? And does it work? You know, I'm like, I mean, theoretically, every single strategy should work. It's just if you execute it correctly and if you understand it. Also, not every strategy is 100%. I've come to realize that. I don't think there is such thing as 100% strategy. If someone says it is, they are lying because stock markets are unpredictable. Oh, hello. Welcome back. How's it going? Whoop, okay. So we have broken out officially. Same here, actually. It's also a little bit rainy here. But I mean, it's fine. Stop me from going on my morning run. But it is what it is. I mean, I could have run in the rain. I just... It's just not worth it. It's fine. Ooh, this could be very good indeed. Or it's just run away completely, but let's see. Oh, I'm gonna sneeze. Oh my goodness, I'm so sorry. Wow. Okay. What are breath words? Oh, works. Breathwork, got it. Sorry, I saw breath words. I was like, that sounds interesting. Let's see. Why are we only giving us those 2 options right now? Okay then. Okay. Let me God damn, okay. Go with that, I guess. I don't even think this is gonna come back in far enough to grab me. Watch out there. Cool. Ah, I think it's just running away. It's going bye-bye. Sorry guys, I will have a look and read your comments now. Sorry, I'm just focusing for a second, which is weird for me, right? I don't focus that often, but when I do, I actually focus. It's very weird. I think this is just running away now. Yep. It's just going, gone. However, this has a lot of decent confluences to be looking at. Okay. Let me read. Sorry, guys. What instrument is this? Are you talking about my GAN? Yeah, that's exactly. If I run in the rain, I get sick, and then I can't trade while I'm sick. I will not be making wise choices. I'll just be going, ugh, whatever, which is a bad idea. Ah, high life. Okay, yeah, I get it. Also, renovations, damn. That's rough. That's not fun. That's really not fun. Well, renovations, I guess, could be fun. Stressful, but fun. I guess it depends on how intense the renovations are. Okay, Zah, explain this. You just realized gold is a guy's best friend. Explain how and why. Thank you for blessing me when I sneezed. I appreciate it. Huh. Interesting. And how's it working for you, Kwang? Sorry, with the AI and Pine script. Ooh, Laura, interesting. Does it help you just like with your entry and with like confirmations and things? No, high life 100%. I agree with you. Do not trade if you are not sure of what's happening, right? So, Kwang, sorry, this might be a little bit too personal. You don't have to answer this, but where do you stay? Or where do you live? That sounds weird. In what area of the world are you? That works. That doesn't sound creepy. Let's go with that one. Greg what? Okay. Gambling? What do you say is gambling? Perfect play? What time is it for you? I'm sorry, it's so early in the morning. Might be. Also, hi Joe, how's it going? I'm not in this trade yet, Joe. Just saying. Stangham, how's it going? Yes, Laura, that's exactly. This is why this works for me. It's not a guessing game. It's at this point, put it. Then if it doesn't tag, and you know. Jay-Z, or GZ. Hi, how are you doing? Boom Banana, why am I trying to stalk people? I'm not trying to stalk people. Only you. No, I'm joking. Anyways. Oh, nice, Hankill. Perfect play, it's 3 AM. What the heck? Why are you awake? Why are you awake? I feel like it's a solid freaking question to be asking you. Why are you up right now? Professor San, hi, I am. I'm feeling like a normal human being again. So, yes. Oh, I'm so glad. I'm so glad. Well, let's see if it continues to help you. That would be amazing. Oh, hey, Anthony. Thank you. Hello from South Africa. Well, let's see. I haven't gotten a trade in yet today. Yesterday was not a good day. Unfortunately, very much a red day yesterday. But I'm hoping to try turn it around today. You know, not every day is going to be a green day. Yeah, Boom Banana. Come on, obviously. You're gonna have to. Oh my goodness, GZ. I hope I'm saying that right. Oh, interesting, perfect play. Very interesting. Okay, Joe, so you've put a shortened back to the sport level. Cool. Hey, Quentin. Hey, from Pretoria. Nice. Hello from KZN. How's it going? Perfect play, right? Yeah, New York yesterday was... Okay, to be fair, New York yesterday was just not fun. There was no structure. There was no nothing. It was just chaotic. Or like Joan likes to say, it was like a diva yesterday. Hey Marzia, how's it going? How are you? How have you been? How was the rest of yesterday's trading, Marzia? Oh, thanks for the sub, Frank Angelo. And Talon, hey, from Cape Town. Oh my goodness, hi. How's it going? Oh, my fellow South Africans popping in. I love it. Oh, nice. So you only trade gold. Interesting. Well, I say that. I only trade futures right now. I have it in the watch list because I'm contemplating it. I've heard it's quite fun. Oh, not one trade yesterday for you. Just no setup for you. Perfect play. Was that it? There was just not enough. Professor San, yes. Oh, I don't like this, but we're sticking with it because I do have. Let me see. Ooh. Let's see. Yeah, perfect play. It was a disaster. Luckily today, well, so far on the 15-minute and 1 hour, there does appear to be a bullish trend. So I'm sticking with the trend, right? Sticking with the trend. How and why? I don't have a 10k sub goal yet. Damn, you thinking far ahead. I have a 5k sub goal. I don't know if you remember what that one is though. Yeah, and I think, well, I mean, isn't that just the stock market for you? Just when you're like, I'm getting the hang of it, it kind of goes, no, you don't. And it goes and screws you. Before 071. Oh, you think so? Hey Victor, so you're from Kenya, you've been learning interesting and have fear to trade because it's scary as hell, especially when you start. And it's very intimidating. Well, I tend to find it can be very intimidating. I think especially if you want to do well, if that made any sense. I think if in your mind you have to win, it then becomes a thing, but if you start to just accept the losses as part of the game, That's a little bit better. Market is hot. Yeah, K-Mac. Well, let's see. I don't think it's gonna come tag me in. I'm gonna be cheeky. I'm just gonna do that. But I don't think it's gonna come grab me. Unfortunately. It looks like it could be a decent trade. But if it doesn't get me, it doesn't get me. It is what it is, right? Hey Maya, are you single? Yes, I am. Ooh! Nice, Marzia. Well, you know, you saw my day yesterday. My day yesterday was not great. So hopefully we've both got this. Today's gonna pick up. Yeah, that's valid, how and why. But like I said, sorry. I'm so sorry. Yeah, guys. My bad. Boom Banana's here making sure no one else comes comes at me. Do I know what Nifty 50? No. Oh, sorry. Do I know about Nifty 50? No, what's that? Aaron? Hey, Xander, how's it going? There we go, Laura. You learn to just go with it. It's entertaining. So, Laura, what are you thinking for today? How's it looking? I am. I haven't really posted much on it, though. Sorry, I've been really bad with that. I should probably get on that. Oh, well. Oh, nice. Okay. Oh, you think so, Stangham? Okay, well, I mean, it's... Wow, okay. So you just think it's gonna keep climbing until then? Ooh, nice, Laura. Well, it very much appears to be a bullish day so far. Let's see if it continues. Oh, just because I said that, I see the market's in one of those moods that whenever I say something, it's going to do the opposite. So I must just shut up when it gets into my trade. If it gets into my trade. Let's see. Quinton and Zeal, I've only been trading since April, so not even a year. I'm a proper baby trader still. 24071. Okay. Stangham, I'm gonna watch for that level. Ooh, Laura, good point. Good point. It's so nice to have no news. The news days are so annoying. Hey Ricardo, I'm drinking coffee because it's noise. Well, I say early in the morning. It's not that early, but it's like it's a perfect coffee day. Like it's drizzling outside, super chilled. I mean, the hardy dogs are still out though. They're so annoying. Gosh. For those of you that do not have hardy dogs, you are lucky. Can I just say, hardy dogs are frustrating as being polite. Kim. Hello, how are you? Oh, nice. Yes. Always. Why? Is that a bad thing? Okay. I would say this range is too big, but no. Oh my goodness. Bean? Why? Oh, okay. What happened? Oh. Damn. Okay then. Ugh. Does not look great like that, does it? Yeah. Quentin? Quentin, what you watching? Cool. Glad I did not do that. I'm still kind of standing by this one, potentially. No. Imagine this goes back up. Hey, Dead Wolf, what up? How's it going? Also, what just happened? Oh, it's proper London open time. That's what happened. Anyways. Damn, that's a lot. Hey Mango, how's it going? Deadwolf, how was the rest of your trading day yesterday, by the way? Well, that was interesting. Aw, thanks for the sub, Wody. Whoa, no joking. I'm not feeling this one, however, I'm still, for some reason, not hating this one. Oh, wait, but I need to change the amount of contracts. Make it 12. Okay, let's see if this would have worked. That was terrifying. But anyways. Mango, am I gonna start the regular YouTube stream? What do you mean? Oh, got it. Sorry, you're on the vertical. Oh, thanks, Quentin. I hope you have an amazing day as well. Yeah, that would do it. What? Wait, I feel like I missed something. Oh, Deadwolf, I'm glad it was good. So now, what you thinking for today? Thank you! Yeah, well, let's hope... I mean, this one, unfortunately, I didn't get in on. It was a little bit quick. Also, I would have potentially started crying when I saw that. So watch, because I didn't get in, it most likely gonna be a win. It's probably not gonna come grab me down here, but if I had gotten this in, what are the bets that this would have tagged me out? Because, you know, the markets love me. Yeah, it's black coffee. Oh, you think so? You think it's gonna climb that high and then maybe a drop? Interesting, Deadwolf. Trade delicious. It was not. Oh, for crying out loud. Sorry, I didn't get in on this, which part of me is grateful for because that freaked me out. But another part of me is like, what the hell? Because it would have been a winning trade. Anyways, sorry. Yesterday was not a good day, trading wise. I think mentally I was also probably not in it. Also, there was just no market structure, so I shouldn't have actually traded. So that's where mentally I don't think I was in it, because I shouldn't have traded yesterday, actually. But I did, so I had a bad red day yesterday, unfortunately. Hey Jeff, how's it going? This is a bummer and a half. Anyways. Jeff, you know what? Trading's actually been going well, apart from yesterday. Yesterday was not a good day, but before yesterday, it was actually going really, really well. I've been really enjoying it. This is a bummer. I would have had a little mini freak out. I do also think it's just gonna keep climbing up and away. So let's see if I get an entry today. If not, then there's still New York, right? Monday and Friday are more difficult. Why? Right? Cool. I'm glad it's not just me that thinks that. Do we think this is still gonna be an okay trade? Like, if it has a proper shift. So part of me is doing this out of curiosity, which I know is bad, but part of me is genuinely curious right now. Whoop. Okay, took some liquidity. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Staying, yeah, no, 100%. And I know what I did wrong. I actually probably shouldn't have been trading yesterday. I was not feeling great either. So I think just mentally my brain was like, whatever, just do it. Which is bad. That is the last thing you should be thinking when you're trading. Hello, it's going good. How's it going? Hey, Joan, how are you? No, you're right. You're right. I should have actually, because it hadn't have taken any liquidity. I should have gone for it. You are correct. Wow. Well, Stangham, you did call it just flipping going to the moon. Like, oh my goodness. Nope, still just climbing. I don't know if I'm gonna get an entry. Oh well. Ooh, how and why? Okay, I'm gonna have a look at that. That sounds very interesting. I'm definitely gonna have a look at that. Aaron, Big P. Okay. They're all trying to have a, yeah. We all love to have chats here and learn together. I love it. I love that they're wanting to have a conversation. It's amazing. Joan, I'm good. Joan, did you just call me miss? It's baby trader to you? Excuse me? Just saying. Anyways. Oh no, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Yeah, 100%. This is sprinting away without me. I don't even think I can call this running. This has just disappeared. Ooh, wait. I don't know if I want to be in this pullback either now it's taken all the liquidity. But it hasn't taken the New York high yet. Exactly, Jeff. You know, you can't win them all, right? And I do have to just remind myself that I cannot win them all. If I could, well, you know, if we all could, we would all just be millionaires by now and we would just not have to do anything. Death Wolf, taking a cell, nice. Thank you. Yeah. My hair's also gone absolutely mental today after the ocean yesterday. Can you see? It's just... yeah. Oh, it has slowed down. It has slowed down. It has slowed down. It has slowed down. I don't know if this is a wise choice, but it has slowed down. I'm kind of thinking it's going to retest a little bit further down though, so I don't know if it is the best choice. But I do have that there. I could be cheeky and make this a stop. Hey Crypto Roach, how's it going? I'm not convinced by this one, so I don't know if I should do it. Yes and no. Naskibu. Again, I apologize if I butchered that, by the way. So I did go, like I booked it and we went out into the ocean. Unfortunately, there were just no sharks yesterday. So that kind of obviously sucks. I'm gonna have to try again, right? I'm gonna have to try again. I promised you guys sharks. I can't just show you cool fishies because that's pointless. I wonder if it's gonna come get me now. If this is the epic pullback I've been kind of waiting for. Well, let's see. Let's see if curiosity wins or not. Perfect play, so it didn't. Because normally, if it takes liquidity, I should not take it because I know there's going to be a ridiculous pullback most of the time. And this is the ridiculous pullback. So I'm glad I did actually listen to my rules because sometimes I don't. I just go, I must just stick to it. But see, I'm kind of glad I didn't, right? This one still stands, so I'm going to keep this one up. NL Skibo, thank you. Sorry. I've been calling you an Skibo. So sorry. Well, it's gonna tag me and it's just freaking me out with how fast it's going down, but that one stays with the plan, so we're sticking with that one. Okay. Okay, well, I'm in it, so let's see. Nadim, you don't trade on Mondays. Smart. I'm starting to think I should also not trade on Mondays, just saying. I'm sorry. You guys saw that, right? Okay. Cool. I love tech. It will bounce. That's what I'm hoping for. John Maya's on Buddha mode today. What do you mean? What do you mean I'm on Buddha mode? Is that a good thing? Thanks. Let's see if it now works, I guess. Oh, okay. Well, let's see. Let's see. Crypto Roach, go sleep. Damn. Thank you, Kiwi Steve. Thank you, thank you. Yeah. I did promise you guys sharks, so I am going to try and book again. I promised you that. Like I said, I do have very cool footage of me getting, like, I don't know, swimming with the fish. I did nearly kill myself accidentally, because oh my God. Because I'm blonde. Hey Melvin, how's it going? I was wondering where you were. Oh, that's interesting. Chill mode or peace mode about trading? Yeah, can you tell it's a chill mode today? Which helps with the brain, apparently, because now I'm not overthinking everything and anything. Harry agreed. Hell yeah. When can you see what? Just me swimming with fish. You want to just see me swimming with fish? I can do a tiny short. Oh, it's gonna take me out, isn't it? I really thought it would go back up now. Dog sounds and foreign. Yep. Melvin? You can keep asking. Maybe one day I'll say yes. Who knows? I mean, yeah. Well, then, see, I need to wait until after the sardine. Yes, sardine season has gone. Oh, it's just gonna keep climbing down to tag me out, isn't it? It's very rude. It is too. No ways. Okay, nope, stick with it. Me too, Joan. I also hope it bounces. But anyways, Boom Banana, there will be shocks. There will be shocks. I promise shocks, so we're gonna have to go and wait for the shocks. And then I'll go again, and I'll try again. Luckily, I made friends with the guys there. Well, the guys there. The people that work there at the shark cage diving. They're very cool, so. Right, Joan, this well, let's see. Crypto Roach, I didn't because unfortunately it's raining, so I couldn't go for my run this morning. Oh, Jeff. Oh, interesting, Joan. Okay. No. Jeff. I do not know MMC. What's that one? Melvin, what does that have to do with anything? Anyways. Thanks, Dangum. Keep thinking those thoughts. Keep thinking those thoughts. Jeff, so I have a lot of tattoos, actually. So I got Sunny, my snail. That's surrounded by some flowers. I got birds going all the way over. My whole back is actually tattooed. I have a very big antisocial butterfly on my leg. I have a little stingray on my leg. I have a little mushroom on my leg. I have a black-shouldered kite on my leg. Oh, for crying... Well, okay, wait. Tagged some contracts out, and the rest are probably gonna follow now. There we go. What the heck? Okay. I know that sucked, but I'm not upset about it because that was actually a really cool trade. And no, it was not there. That's not right. It was there. It's gonna start climbing now. Watch. It's gonna go up now, isn't it? No, it's not a purple mushroom. So I'm not upset about it because I had a fair value gap and an order block that should have theoretically protected this trade, but oh well. I can't say I didn't try it right. That was just a bummer. It is too gonna go back up now just because it took me. Ah, interesting. Okay. I'm trading in futures, Sani. Yeah. 100%. Yeah, this was the manipulation. It just unfortunately got me. It was a very nice entry. I liked where that entry was. Just unfortunately, maybe next time I should look at something like this. So just drag this down to there. Ooh, that would have been good. Check it, that one. But then I would have had the risk of it potentially not. So this one, yeah. Like I said, I'm not really upset about it, but then let's see. Nadine, you think it's gonna keep falling some more? Thank you, Stangam. See, so like obviously I'm a little bit bummed by it because how rude. No one likes to have a loss. However, I liked the trade, so I'm not that upset about it. Oh, thanks, Jeff. Yeah, listen. And all of them have stories behind them. So that's very cool. It is too gonna freaking go back up now just because it took me out by like 2 points. Anyways, that's fine, I guess. That's fine. That's fine. I'll just sit here and drink my coffee. Now I'm gonna wait for confirmation of structure. We're gonna keep going down. Has it made up its mind about what it wants to do yet? Let's see. Or is it now gonna go to the moon? Wait, so Ray, do you think this is going to go to the lows? Or do you think this is going to go back up to potentially grab New York high? Yesterday's New York high, obviously. Maybe this is just not my week. Maybe I just don't trade this week. No, can't have that mindset. It'll get better. It'll be better. And hopefully, let's see, it sounds like it. Because then I can go and ride still. Perfect play on it, I'm sorry. But anyway, seeming as I missed all of you guys yesterday, how was your weekends? I didn't even ask. I'm so sorry. Apparently, yeah. Apparently, Stangam, it's on a mission. It's on a proper mission today. Ugh. Bummer. Oh well. R240? No, I'm from South Africa. Where are you from? R240? Cool, so now it's had its big moves and it might potentially chop a little bit. So I see there's still a lot of support in this area. Oh well. You think so, Joan? Is that what you're doing? No, wait, you're not training this. Hey Chris, how's it going? Dead Wolf, are you still there? I think we need a loss song as well. We have like the coolest winning song, but what about a loss song? Like sad song. Well, I can't do anything until it gives me confirmation of Still looks like it could be bullish on the 15-minute. Check the 1 hour. Wow, okay. That is a big wick. Anyways. Oh, hell yeah, Dead Wolf, please. Show me, show me, show me, show me. You must be joking. What, Jeff? That's awesome. Wow. Okay. Holds 55. It's going to 96. That sounds so cool. I'm dying to go and visit Japan. I think Japan looks... How do I put this? It almost doesn't look real. I'm almost convinced Japan is not real. Watch it go back up now. After it just takes me out. It's so rude. Oh, interesting, Mango. Well, yeah, I mean, I'm gonna still stick around. Let's see. I still got another hour to see if anything pops up. If not, I need to remind myself that I don't have to get into a trade, right? Can you see the mental battle that goes on every day when I trade? It's not even so much about the strategy anymore, it's about the mental part of it. So frustrating. Oh well. Kijana, I'm with Tradeify at the moment. John. So you're a Demon Slayer fan? I say hopefully. I love Demon Slayer. I'm quite excited to watch the movie, I'm not gonna lie. But anyways. Well, stop is your entry, so they say. Slow boy, how's it going? I did not. I know that's bad. Okay, Stangam, I'm gonna have a look at that. I guess maybe for the bigger trades, because yeah. Three minutes, let's see if the market awakes. Okay, let's see, Joan. Let's see. Thank you, Solly. I appreciate it. Yeah. Could have been a goodie, just unfortunately. Yeah. Yes, early on the entry, no. You say early. I waited for this entry. Just like I said, theoretically I should have maybe looked at, well, Stangham. Like you said, I'm going to potentially backtest the entry being done here. If it works out better. Especially for the, how do I put this? Almost the higher time frames. Jace in the hole. Interesting name. Ding. Ooh, got it. Thanks, Deadwolf. I'm gonna have a look now. I'm gonna have a look now. I'm assuming that's what ding means, right? Yes, that. Yes, yes. Really, slow boy? Who won? Sorry, I'm asked. Yeah, who won? Why, Diamante? Diamante, are you in a cell? Where are you at, Diamante? Okay, wait. Jeff, have you gone to Japan also? Okay, Deadwolf, I'm gonna have a look now as soon as I'm done. Well, actually, I could probably look now, assuming as volume is... Diddy bye-bye. Well, even though that's not a great work. You know, we're going with it. Wow. Deadwolf, did you take these photos? Wow. Those are amazing. Sorry guys. I went on a little bit. Anyway. How good is your phone? Deadwolf? Damn. Okay. Anyways. Oh, Rach. Okay. Kijano, I use concepts from both ICT and SMC, but I do not exclusively trade one. I have my own little strategy that I use. Yes. Can I please explain my sleep schedule? So I sleep normal hours. So I'm in South Africa. So London open is 9:30 a.m. for me, but I start streaming at like 9. So I have that half an hour to find my brain cells. And then New York session is at 3:30 p.m. for me. So all these sessions are during the day for me. It's amazing. It's awesome. So I don't have to wake up too early or do anything wild. It's awesome. Slow boy, my bad. Damn. Okay, damn. Of course. How dare I even ask? I'm sorry. Sorry, you've been catching a lot of entries on the last fit value gap of the previous run. Interesting. Thank you for the food for thought. I'm gonna have a look. Oh no. Okay, Diamante, let's see what happens. It could go either way right now. I'm just saying. Okay, again, Deadwolf, I'm gonna ask, how freaking good is your phone? But then how is it so good at taking photos? They look so nice. What the heck? Sorry, I just read what you said it was now. Yeah. That one with the sun is beautiful. Sorry guys, I know I'm like just talking. Joan, target 841. Okay, Joan, so Joan, you still think it's gonna go down? Anime Home? Is that your name? The ICT concepts truly work. I mean, yeah. Everything works, right? I did say this earlier, but I believe every strategy works. It just depends on if you understand them and if they work for you, and if you can implement them correctly. Stangham, you just think they're suckering shorts. Ooh, interesting. London is 2 a.m. for you. Okay, cool. Joan, what a market. I mean, it started pretty well, and now it's just gone, okay, I did my cardio for the day, I'm done, and now it's chilling. I'm on Trading View. Jason the Hole. I do agree. Theoretically, we are still in a bullish trend until it closes properly below these wicks, but let's see if it does. Oop, this might be it. Diamanta, you feeling happy now, by the way? Kisan, mug is humongous, right? But I love it. I need me my good coffee to keep me going. Can you see it's starting to kick in now? Which is awesome. Anyways. Oh, Dead Wolf, you called it. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Jeff, that's very interesting. Also really, really cool. I can imagine you just felt peaceful. Correct me if I'm wrong. Obviously, I can't speak for how you were feeling, but I can just imagine that it felt amazing to have that experience. Ooh, okay. Okay, so Deadwolf, you potentially it still has not closed below these. I'm just saying. I'm waiting for that, because then we would have had potentially a proper break of structure, but we have not yet. Like I said, I now need to wait for a proper break of structure. It's now just diddling in the middle. We do not diddle in the middle. Anyways. Diamante 100%. So are you still in this? What's your plan? Jason the Hole, not just yet. Believe it or not. Nearly, but not yet. Oh no! Slow boy, just wake up. Just be better. I'm so messing with you. I'm so sorry. Nice. Mark 841. I'm going to. Okay. Let's see if it reaches 841 on the dot. I'm watching, Joan. I'm watching. I'll accept it. Okay. My Instagram is just at Teach Maya Trading. I think. Yeah, nothing special. Like I said, I need to potentially actually probably start posting on that a little bit more, but I think it is also in my YouTube. Sorry, I have a stray hair that's driving me crazy. There we go. Oh my god. Do you mind? You think so? You're waiting for it? I mean, there's clearly a lot of support. Well, there's just a lot of support and resistance going on at the moment because we're not moving anywhere. These charts are fast asleep. Now, however, not Yes, now, however, I will potentially look at a short. Potentially. I'm trying to decide. You think it's going to go all the way down to VWAP, Jason the Hole? Huh. Okay, I'll be back. Give me 2 seconds. Oh, wait, I have to watch this for Joan. Boom, there it is. Joan, nicely called. Very, very good. Very good. Okay, I'll be right back because I'm not going to get an entry on this, so give me 2 seconds. Okay, I'm back. Oh. Oh man, I missed a lot. I'm so sorry. Bunny? Hi, Bunny. I love your name. Sorry. I just saw that now. That's so cool. Deadwolf, you're going all the way down to 800. Wow, Joan, you called this very, very well. Okay. Do we think this is a legitimate break of structure? Or did it just come and grab liquidity? That point of interest. Hey, Joan. Look at 15 minutes. Cool. I'm checking it out, Marcia. I mean, it hasn't closed below yet. It is potentially still bullish. Yeah, Joan, you called that beautifully. Well done. Very, very good. Okay, but now... is this the push up? Damn. Hey, Robert P, how you doing? Deadwolf, where's your break even? I'm gonna mark that one out as well. This is a massive candle. A proper massive candle. Oh my gosh, okay. Was that your entry? Holy moly, Deadwolf, what the heck? Victor, I use concepts from it, so yeah, I guess. I don't use the full, oh my goodness. This little doji over here makes me think it's gonna come back down again now. Potentially. There we go. Let's see. Positive account. Check BTC, please. Okay. Fake out for further short to 790. Perfect play. That's what I'm thinking. For the moment, it is still bullish, especially looking at the 15-minute. Looking at the 1 minute, though, it is very much bearish right now. But, you know, 1 minute has a lot of noise. We know that. Hey, Harshal. Harshal? How are you? Sometimes blind chickens get lucky. You are neither blind nor a chicken. You are a wolf. You've got this. Yeah, Dead Wolf, that's an awesome trade. I really hope, let me actually mark it out for you. So you're going all the way down to 800, right? That's your... Ooh, I saw that. There's Dead Wolf's mark. Oh man. Could have potentially been in on this one. Shoot. Yeah. And boom, and you're looking to buy. Okay. So I'm using GAN, I'm using fair value gaps and order blocks. Yeah, and those are all basically to help, and obviously trends. Cool. This is fun right now. Rage, bok bok. Are you calling me a chicken? How rude. 2, 3, 5. This wick is a little bit scary. I have to get my brain. Why is my hair being so annoying today? Oh my gosh. Is it just gonna keep doing this the whole day? Have some big pushes and then consolidate, and then big pushes and consolidate? Robert P, that's exactly. That's why I'm just like, it has really and truly honestly made me realize that no one actually truly knows what the market's gonna do, that there's such a split in thought patterns. You know, so it is a 50-50 guessing game. So half of you are gonna be right, half of you are gonna be wrong. And now we just have a look-see, and all you can do is stick with your strategy, right? So FX, you're thinking long from 23833. Huh. So right near where the VWAP is, you think it's gonna then bounce off of it and go up. Hey, pips and dips. That's a very tricky question. Especially because I've only recently found this strategy, so I can tell you last week's. So last week I had let me not butcher this. I had 8 wins, 4 losses, and 3 break-evens. Yeah, so that's last week, so that was awesome. This week, however, is not going great. So I had 3 losses yesterday, I've had 1 loss now today. Which is maybe why I'm being a little bit of a chicken, I get it. But, I don't know, things are just feeling a little unpredictable. You know, Joan, like you like to say, NQ's being a little bit of a diva right now. And risk management is a big thing. So if I'm not comfortable with the trade, if I don't think it's going to be correct for my strategy, rather not take it, right? And this is kind of how it's been feeling today. Complete bummer that this actually would have been a winning trade, but it's fine. Okay, Boom Banana, I'm still waiting to see. I'm waiting to see who is correct now, because Boom Banana thinks it's gonna go full porter. Kisan, just flip a coin. Yeah, basically. That sounds absolutely terrible, but yeah. All you can do is take, how do I put it? Educated guesses of what the market is going to do. Like this trade here. I know it was a loss, however, I'm not super upset about it because there were a lot of things going in this trade's favor. Just unlucky it didn't work out. The trades I took yesterday I'm bummed about because that was me being dumb. This one I don't feel that bad about because I stuck with my strategy and it wasn't because it was a bad trade. It was just, it is what it is. Rage, only Neo knows. Okay. See more past lows and those lows are potential targets. Rage? According to the 15-minute, no. We are not obviously bearish just yet. And even the 1 hour, we are not obviously bearish just yet. On the 1 minute, yes. But to, you know, you have to jump between time frames quite often just to give you a good idea, because imagine thinking, oh, we're definitely doing this, but then on another time frame, actually, it was just the retracement back down. And now it's going to shoot up. Boom Banana, is this why you think it's going to go up, by the way? And you think 825 level? Wait, I'm confused. ES at VWAP? Oh, ES is sitting on VWAP. More like it. Do some giveaway. I can't yet. I don't got anything. What am I gonna give away? You want a seashell? I got a seashell for you. Ah. Okay. R240, which one? Is Sunny? My snail. I got all my birds. Wait, that's why my back is full. There's a lot. So, Marzia, I don't have a goal for 2,000 subs. What I do have is for 5,000. You guys better be nice. I'm just saying this. So 5,000 subs. The deal is that I will get a trading tattoo. You guys get to pick the tattoo. I'll give you options. But obviously, whichever is voted the top option, I will get that tattoo. And you guys also get to choose where the tattoo goes. Again, not on the face. I'll give you guys at least some options. And again, the winner will get tattooed, right? I do not. Stangam, see? That could be one of the tattoos. Archie40, no. Oh gosh. Robert P, yes for eyes. Yeah, 100%. Right? Right? Anyways. Deadwolf on the eyeballs. That constitutes as face. Just saying. Deadwolf. Looks like a double bottom breakout right now. Face in the hole. Let's see. Boom banana on your forehead. I said I'm not getting things on my forehead. Okay? Okay. High life. It's fun for me, in all honesty. As much as it's fun for you guys, I think it's so much fun. The winner will be tortured. Max? No? Well, nah, I'm just kidding. Just kidding. Deadwolf? I think you need to go sit in the naughty corner for that one. I'm just saying. Just saying. No. FX, I trade ICT and SMC concepts. No. Oh gosh. HP on that wick looks to be the buy. Yeah. So this one that would have tagged me out to be a win. Just, you know, as quickly as that happened, this could have very much not happened as well, in which case this would have been a bad trade. That would have been luck. Which we can't... It's not a good thing, yeah. Yash trades? I'm in South Africa. Boom Banana, it's gonna come back down. I'm confused, Boom Banana. Is it going up or is it going down? Just now you said it was going up. Hey Mark, how's it going? How's my favorite DJ? Sorry, can you just explain to me what you mean by have I ever gone on tilt? Okay, Mark, you think it's gonna go up? I mean, I was hoping it would have gone up over there, but clearly... No, what's wrong? I'm just now waiting for flipping confirmations. Oh, Boom Banana, it's gonna come down, tag you in, and then a buy. Okay. High life? You know what? You funny. I like that. I'm gonna start saying that. Guys, it's gonna go up or down or consolidate. I'm 100% sure of that. That's courtesy of High Life Test, by the way. That's amazing. Really, Pips and Dips? Why is that? Out of curiosity. I mean, I don't have X. I don't even use it, so I wouldn't know. So that's why I'm genuinely curious about why you think it's the most toxic one. Oh, Kisan, plenty of times, especially when I started. I'm gonna feel like a chop now. This would have been a win. Especially when I started. So For those of you, I have mentioned this a few times before when I said this strategy I've been enjoying, and it has slowly been digging me up out of a pit, if you will. So I nearly blew this account. Like, I think I was nearly $100 away from blowing this account that I'm currently using. And then I started using the strategy, and now I've been slowly climbing. I think I've nearly climbed up nearly $1,000. I could be lying to you, so please don't take me at my word for right now. But basically, the strategy has slowly been helping me crawl my way back up. But specifically that day when I nearly blew the account was disaster. I was just doing market buys and market sells, and the market buy wouldn't work, so I said, oh, screw it. And then I just did a market sell, and then yeah, disaster. Absolute disaster. And that's when I really actually, so part of me is glad it happened, because I think that was the turning point of me going, okay, wait, let me take a step back. Let me look at this logically, logically, and work on the emotional side of it, because clearly it's not working. This is going to be a win, and this is going to drive me crazy. But there's not a lot of impulse up right now. And just because I said that, it's going to have some impulse up. It's fine. But yeah, that was really bad. That was really, really bad. And in a way, I'm glad it happened, because it really did help me sit back and say, no, I need to actually start giving myself some rules to follow, having some discipline in the trades, not just saying screw it and doing whatever. And I still struggle with it. Yesterday was a bad day, and it's because I wasn't here mentally, and so I took bad trades. Well, this is frustrating, isn't it? That would have been a goodie. And that range is just too small. That's a very small range. I would have to do this one again, but I don't know if it's going to come that far down again. No, high life trading is very difficult. Am I calm as a cucumber? Am I? Maybe not. Yeah. Ish. Ooh. Hit that auto block. Not going back down. I don't think it's gonna come grab me. Which would be a decent one, but I don't know if it's gonna come this far back down. Because I missed that trade. I mean, the fact that I missed that trade is also not good. What the heck? Oh my gosh, it's missing me by a tick. Oh, no. Oh, no, never mind. Nope. Is it too late to just shift this up? Probably. Joan, the way you say that makes me very nervous. Why do you say it like that? Also, hey Frankie B, how are you doing? How's it going? Ooh, you're very nervous. Let's see. Oh, thanks, Stack. Well, let's see. Well, it grabbed me. Let's see now. Hey, Alejandro, how are you? Oh, no. So I'm hoping it takes that, fills that little bit of a fair value gap, and then goes back up. Let's see. Well, then it's just not my day. Again, round 2 apparently of not my day. And that's fine. Because it did not take this liquidity over here. It's kind of what I'm hoping for it to come up and grab. I'm hoping this was just a little bit of a bounce off of an order block. It's going to come grab this little bit of liquidity that's sitting up here for the move down. That's why you see my TP is right on that liquidity. That's what I'm hoping for. I could be wrong. Yeah, Day12, you're still in this. Well done. Oh, no, Laura, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Okay, now I'm gonna mitigate risk. I'm not gonna go to break even yet, but I'm gonna mitigate it by moving it there. Then I won't lose as much. See? Risk management. Hello, old thick Fritz. Let's see what happens now. It is. I guess I should. It's fine. I mitigated the risk by half. Patience. Let's see, Stangam. There we go. I mitigated risk by half. And to be fair, I didn't even place a very big trade. Gonna count it as a loss, but I did not lose that much at all. I don't even think I lost $100 there, to be fair. Which is good. So I'm gonna count it. It's not really a loss, it's not really a break even. It's a bit of both. I don't even know what to call it. To be fair, I should be listening to Arcade and not diddle in the middle. Yeah, that's exactly it, FX. I was just hoping it would slowly come up to take this. So I mean, check, that's literally where my TP is. Theoretically, that's some kinda equal highs, if you will. Mark, I did not make this mug, but I love this mug. I don't even know who made it. Evora, I think. Let me finish the coffee, I can read what it says. Hey, Unknown, how you doing? Unknown, yeah. Wait, Unknown, whoop whoop, does that mean you are winning? earthenware. So, I mean, there's a lot of writing underneath here. I don't even know. I think my parents got this mug and then they just left it with me and I was like, cool, this is mine now. Hey David, how you doing? Oh, made with real earth. No. Nice. Okay. Yeah, apparently I'm fighting a losing battle for some reason. I'm just not seeing the shorts. And I'm trying to go for the longs when I should, like you say, stop fighting the trend, right? What if it is made with real dirt? Probably. It's very cool and I love this mug. Yes, it's just so small. But yeah, would have been. Oh, sorry. Not dirt, earth, my bad. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Oh my gosh. Frankie B. Yes, the bottomless mug is always here. We love the bottomless mug. Okay, I'm gonna wait until my brain actually sees a market structure, else I am just fighting a losing battle, which is pointless. Ooh, Mazia, nice. Okay, okay. That's exactly. Trend is your friend, but right now I'm not seeing it. I know there is one, but my brain isn't seeing it right now. So rather wait until I do see it and then I can take it, or else I'm just... Yeah. Gold comes from earth. I mean, yeah, Mark, you're not wrong. You'd long 2 seconds ago. Let's see. Deadwolf, you're still in this, hey? I do. There's one. Here's one. Oh. Those were taken. Here's a low. Here's a low. Let me maybe just... Whoop. Out of curiosity now. I'm not taking it, it's out of curiosity. Hey Seth from Canada. Very, very cool. True. I'm trading a futures. Ooh, cash can? I have no idea. I can't answer that one. What do you guys think is going to happen with gold this week? I do not trade gold, so I have no idea. Oh, nice, Deadwolf. Okay, cool. Awesome. Laura, you're trying to long again. Nice. And Mohammed thinks it's a short year. No. Let's see. Let's see. Champion trades? Did I say that right? I'm streaming from South Africa. And Perfect Play is now super excited. Ah. JFK, you think gold is going to the moon? Again, really? Oh, well, I completely agree. It has not. In all honesty, like I'll stay on for another 15 minutes and then it's time to go work the horses anyways. Let's see. Like I said, apparently I'm just not seeing what I should be seeing today, so I need to maybe, I don't know, does anyone want to swap brains with me? No? Might help out a little bit. Would be nice. News on the 10th of September will go crazy. Where are we? Oh, today's the 9th. I don't even know where we are in this flipping month anymore. I'm just kind of going with it. Right, Frankie B? Like, it's fine. It'll be good. It'll be fine. You guys can just live in my head for a little bit. It's crazy in here. You'll have fun. And it is what it is. Yeah, J Clock. Oh, well, let's see. Like I said, just because I didn't take this trade watch, it's gonna be a win, but apparently that's my luck today. Every single trade I have not taken has been a winning trade, and all the ones I did take have been, well, I say all the ones I did take, I took 2. This one, luckily I mitigated the risk by half, but it was still a loss. And that one earlier was a loss. However, I'm not upset about that one, because that one was a good trade. It was just, yeah. Oh, interesting. 830 looks like a great target. Yeah, with the swing low there, you're right, it really does. Again, like I said, just because I did not take this trade, it's gonna be a win. Huh? Wait, Perfect Play, are you joking? Do you do, I can't even pronounce it properly, but skijoring? Skijoring? See, what did I say? This would have been a win, but anyways, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. See, now I cannot place a trade because any trade I place is going to be revenge trade, because that's what I want to do. I want to say screw it and just put one here, but no, that'll be revenge trade. So, nope. Deadpool, you put me on the spot and then I never know. Now I'm scared. What movie is that one from? What? That is so cool. I've always wanted to try it. It looks amazing. Yes, I have horses. But I do show jumping. My thing is show jumping, because obviously we do not have snow here, so I cannot do that. Low-key jealous. It looks like so much fun. Kelly, you're long on NQ. Okay. You think it's going to be a long now? Really? FX. No. Thank you. It's taken a while to learn. You think it's gonna go past VWAP? I'm starting to agree with Joan. I think it's gonna take this liquidity over here. Let's see. Thanks, Bob. I'm controlling myself. I'm doing my best. I am doing my best. I'm trying my best, right? That's all we could do. What are you doing? My best. Maybe it's not great, but it's all I've got. So okay. Oh well, probably. Deadwolf, I've never seen that, so now I don't feel bad. You gotta come at me with nerdy movies. I'll know those very well. Just saying. No, Rage Winnick. We're not doing that. No. Absolutely not. Been there, done that too many times. Just saying. Not doing it again. Is it? Okay. Well, then it's gonna have to go onto the list of things to watch. Just saying. Hey, George, how you doing? Outside, inside liquidity. Stangham, what does that mean? Jason the Hole, this feels like a fake out. So you think it's gonna keep going down, Jason the Hole? Give me 2 seconds. My dog wants to go outside. I'll be right back. I'm so sorry. I was then ranting to myself. Sorry. I was just basically going on about George saying your best is a special best, and I was like, yeah. And then I said hi to Cherry Pie from Australia, and hi to Hamid, who is new here. How are you guys doing? Oh, that's from nice, Robert P. from Jimmy Cricket. Very cool. Oh my god, Kelly K. That nearly gave me a stroke reading that. I'm gonna try and read this out loud. Upside down, right side up, bullish order block, liquidity sweep, engulfing French toast cinnamon roll candle there. One of my faves, pasta syrup. Did I nail that? I feel like I nailed that. That was pretty good. Can you hear me now? Yes, okay, thank heavens. Jason, to be fair, isn't trading just confusing in general? It's everyone coming with different ideas and different thoughts and different strategies and different opinions, and everyone seeing things differently, and just you kind of have to go with what you believe or what you think, and you have your strategy and you stick with your strategy, and sometimes you're wrong, guys, as we have come to notice. Clearly, it's not my week. Well, I say that. It's only Tuesday. I can't say it's not my week yet, but yesterday was not great. Today is not starting off great. Let's hope for something better. At least this afternoon, or hopefully tomorrow, who knows, but let's see. George, are you from California? Nice. John, maybe. Had a little moment, and now I'm back. And cool as a cucumber again. No, I'm joking, I did not. If I need to blow up some steam, I go to my horses and ride, helps calm the brain, or I go for a run. And then I have quite fast... Well, I say... guys, I don't run far. Please don't think I'm actually a runner. I'm really not. Frank, I am definitely not good enough to be anyone's mentor. I'm just saying. Why do you think I'm learning from you guys? Cash can, yeah, basically. But it's guesstimated gambling, if that makes sense. I feel like gambling is just... There's no even pretending to know what it's gonna do. Blame others when you are wrong, Deadwolf. Okay, Deadwolf, this is all your fault. You. That's all I got. J Clock, that's interesting. Okay. Noise. Don't listen, but I will never break this coffee cup. Okay, this one's safe. Safe. Kelly, interesting, but wouldn't being early or late then result in you being wrong? Isn't that theoretically being wrong? So I mean, I could say, it's going to be long, you know, and then it is technically long here. But I entered too early. Like I said, sorry, that one's just up for debate. That was not me being, well, I'm sorry, that was a little bit rude of me. I was gonna use, that was very B of me, but anyways. Each day is a new day with new opportunities. That is 1000% correct, George. Screen time is invaluable, but that's exactly right. You'd be out of shorts now. You think so? You think this is going up now? Interesting. Ooh, Jason, that sounds interesting. How'd you learn that? Sorry, I read that now. Dead Wolf. Yeah. Be better, Dead Wolf. Okay, just be better. Jeff K. Yes, ES is very much being held below VWAP right now. But I wonder if it's gonna keep being up. Yeah, let's see. Mind and Money Mastery. Ooh, teach me your secrets. Also, hello. Is that a funded account? No, not yet. Sorry, pre-trades. I see you've asked that like 3 times. I apologize. I did not see that. Maya? No, not long yet. Well, I'm not gonna go long yet. Also, I probably have to go soon, which kind of sucks. And it would have looked like that. Would have missed grabbing me. Oh, okay. I mean, Kelly, but that's the argument, right? Well, no, wait. Like High Life says, sometimes it goes sideways. But it does go up or down. Free trades, I answered you. George, I'm from South Africa. But on that note, I'm gonna keep this up. Let's see. Very frustrating. On that note though, guys, I do have to go and work my horses and apparently clear my mind a little bit. Today was frustrating. But it's fine. Oh, interesting, Jason. Okay, I must have a look. Laura, you think it's gonna go up now? Huh. Nice. Okay. Good night. I think you mean good day. But I will be back for New York, guys. So if you guys are awake, perfect. I will go check my email. If you guys are awake for New York, awesome sauce. If not, then I guess I will see you guys back here tomorrow, right? Let's hope for better trading day tomorrow. Maybe I should start actually just listening, right? Just a thought, but I will then see you guys tomorrow. If not New York session, I am here trading New York. It's time for me to go clear my mind a little bit. I do love you guys madly, and I will be seeing you hopefully later, if not tomorrow. I love you. Bye. Mwah. Oh wait, I pressed the wrong thing. Ah, there we go. Bye guys.